Hi, in this video I will show you how to find the default Wi-Fi name and default Wi-Fi password on a UPC Giga Box router. You need to get access to your Giga Box, and then it's problems with the autofocus, but you will find a sticker at the bottom, and there you will see default Wi-Fi name and default Wi-Fi password, and you need to access that Wi-Fi and enter that password to connect to the UPC Giga Box router for the first time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.